Hey guys, Tim here. Basically, many people ask me how to do backtest for binary options. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Actually, MT4 Platforms has a strategy tester for backtesting Forex only, not binary options. So I created this tool to specifically test binary options. Let's get started. First of all, you got to download the demo MT4 binary test tool by clicking on the link below the video. So having done that, you open the zip file. Okay, so and you see two files. So this is actually MT4 binary robot for MT4, and the second file is indicator for MT4. In this demo, I used the indicator holding signal. Okay, so first of all, you got to copy the indicator and put it into your MT4 platform. So go back to your MT4 platform and click on File, open Data folder. Yeah, it takes a while. And you go to MQL4 and indicators. Alright, and you right click and you paste. So actually I already have the indicator under this folder. Alright, now let's go back to your zip file. Then you copy the MT4 tool or robot and put it into your MT4 folder. So go back to your MT4 folder. Okay, maybe probably do it again. So click on File, open Data folder, and go to MQ4, go to Experts, and copy the file. Okay, so basically I already have the file in here. So that's good. So let's get started with testing. So you open a chart. For this example, I open Euro USD charts. Okay, and if you might want to, upload the indicator. So in here, I already uploaded. And you go to Expert Advisor, and you see Demo MT4 binary robots. Okay, so double click on it. And you go to the input tab, you see so a list of parameters. So the backtest start date. So basically in this example I want to backtest starting from beginning of this year 2020. I enter 2020 January 1st, and you also got the book in hours. I book 0 and minutes. Okay, and I leave the backtest stop date blank, which means the test actually is until the current time. Okay, indicator signal. So I select the holy signal, but actually for the full version you can select your own indicators or strategy. So I select holy signal in this case. Platform MT4. For this demo, we use MT4 platform. For other versions, I put in other platform like IQ options, okay, etc. Now, trade lock mode. So you have the option to select fixed lock mode or auto lock mode. For auto lock mode, which is available for the full version only, so book in fixed lock mode here. fixed locked. Okay, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about here. So basically, now when you put on the trade, okay, this is the number of blocks, okay, and this is the margins. So basically, for binary options, you got to work it out, okay. 0.1 lots, so the margin required is 113.09. So for one lot it should be 1130, okay, and 9 cents, okay, and you got to put in here. So margin per lot should be 130.9, sorry, right, should be 30, okay, just roughly. All right, so fixed locks is actually the number of blocks you want to book in. So basically, fixed locks multiplied by margin per one lock is the amount of dollars you put on the trade. Okay. Now, for auto locks balance percent, this is actually for auto lock mode only. Okay. Now, payout percentage, you got to put in a percentage. In this case, book the 60%, and actually it depends on your brokers, and you got to book in the number appropriately. Expiring time, so the chart time frame is 15 minutes. So if I want expiring time is 1 hour, then I got to select 60 minutes. Okay. All right, so the rest is not important parameters. Yeah. All right, then I click on OK, and if you go to the experts tab, you see the data is rolling, which means the test is running. So basically we already finished the test. Right, so this is a typical test result panel. So the periods, the backtest first January 2020. So don't worry about this one. It's actually 31st December. So basically the same, right? Star balance, I put in $100, and after about 4 months, the profit I got is about 36,000, okay, or that much percent. Okay, this is the end balance. So the number of trades is 377, and the win rate is 88%, which is quite right. Okay. Now, if you want to look into the details of trade, you might want to click on the file and open data folder. You go to MQL4 and you click on file and click on the backtest file. Okay. Just wait for a while. It takes a while to open the file. So here we are. We have details of all the trades here. So which is basically good for analysis after the test. Alright, let's go back to entry 4. Now let's say I want to change expiry. So instead of 60 minutes, I want to change it to, let's say, 75 minutes. Okay, see what happens. Click on OK. Right, what you can see is actually win rate percentage is better, 90%. Okay, so so which is actually quite good actually. Now what else can I do? Right, I think that's all about it. So if you have any questions, please contact me. Okay, all my details actually are provided below the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.